Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take out the halogen bulbs that come factory and we're going to be installing some LED lights. Auxito hit me up. They wanted me to test out and try their LED lights and see if I like them. So we're going to go ahead and pull the stock ones out and then we'll compare and see how these do, and then we'll swap the second one in. First thing you want to do, remove the dust cap. It just pops right off. Down inside here, before you can take anything out, on this side, there's a lever. You can hear it click. You can see it. You can see it. Right there, that black lever. And now you should be able to go ahead and twist it counterclockwise out. You just pull straight out once you pull that lever. Then right down here is a clip, and you want to remove that clip, just like that. Let's go ahead and compare the two. Let this thing slide on open. Move the gloves out of the way, move them out of the way. Here's the new LED ones. It's got a fan. Nice fan in it. And it'll just plug in. Let's get this installed. Going back in, goes in reverse. We'll plug in the light. There's only one direction this harness will go in. Make sure it's seated. And it goes back in once you get it pushed all the way in. Close that lever, and that lever secures it. I'll show you again that lever. You can see it, the Silverado. Hold on, let's see if we can get it to focus better for you. Just flash it to settle down somewhere. Get it to focus. The lever's right there. It's not plastic or black, it's that metal lever right there. You just flip it up or down. Then you just put the dust cover back on, and your driver's side is done. We'll compare them now. That's way brighter. You can clearly see the beam from the LED light compared to the halogen light from the dust inside my shop. The passenger side is a little more involved. You have to remove the air box. And then you have just this little flimsy cover, and the dust cover's right down below my finger. We'll get the light and we'll get to taking this off. First thing is you pull your, oh, I say pull the clip, not fling it across the engine bay. You pull off your sensor. Let's go ahead and put that bad boy back in. Don't be as crazy as me. I mean, you can be, but don't. Maybe I have it backwards, who knows? Yeah. All right. Then you're gonna wanna take this 8mm off, which is already loose. That's interesting. I haven't really gone over the truck since purchasing it. All right, not an 8mm. It is an 8mm. I grabbed a 10 by accident. Okay, the line right in my way. So pull this up. There you go. You got 3 of them, one on each side and one down here. Pull the collar back. The last screw is being pain in my butt. Oh, there's a 4th, excuse me. Next, you want to pull the bottom of your air box out, and it just pops out. Just like so. And then pull it out. It just pops out of these little things right here. While you're in here, check your air filter. All right. Let me get a light, that way you can kind of see what I'm doing. Light set up for you. Whatever. All right, as you see, you got these wire looms and stuff out of the way. It has a hole here, so it looks like you can access it, but I don't want to deal with that. So I'm gonna pop these out. You don't have to have these. You can use screwdrivers. You can use the plastic pop out interior piece, trim removal, I guess it's called, from Harbor Freight, but I like these. You'll just pop all these out to get it out of your way. They can just stay right in there. And as you see right here is the light again. Pop your dust cover off. flip your switch on the inside. This one's struggling. I don't know which way it goes, up or down on this one. I don't know why this one's being a butt. Sorry about that. I must not have hit the record button. Everything goes back in reverse as it came out. Make sure to put your clip back in. Everything's now secure. Reminder, while you're in there, go ahead and check your air filter. And let's go ahead and see how good they both look now. That's nice. That's bright. All right, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. I'm ready to go see how they work at night. As usual, thanks for watching, everyone.